Hey guys, it's me called Olivia, and I made slime for my friends. But I've made one, but this one's mine, my slime, and I'm gonna be. So what you need for this is you need clear glue, uh, glitter, beads, anything what you want. If anything's crunchy. Um, and then you get borax. We don't have borax in England, so but you do have borax in America. If you're watching my video, and if you're from America, you are very lucky that you got borax. Or if you're from the USA, anything, whereas because now it's November, still November, so the 22nd of November 2018. I'm going to try and do a bubble. Did you see that? Comment down below if you did see it. I'm going to be trying to do the Instagram swirl, slime swirl. I'm going to be taking a bit off. Put that back in the bowl. This bowl, I mean. Okay, I've got the slime. Kind of sticky. But don't worry, I got the borax. Sorry about the background. My stepdad's just playing with on his PlayStation, playing the new Battlefield 5. We got it today. Came out yesterday. My sister, she keeps playing with and I get really annoyed, so. I'm going to be playing the whole thing. It's kind of really sticky, but it's fine. I'm gonna tell you some pet peeves. First pet peeve, it's aggressive. The second one is sticky. Oh, that's my worst pet peeve ever. So yeah, and I hope you like my video. Comment down below what's your favourite tag slime. Is it white glue or clear glue? And I'm going to be doing a video when I get to my dance, making my friend's slime. Bye! Oh, brilliant. That's something. Bye! And hope you like that subscribe button, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in a minute. Bye!